In this video, we're going to learn how to make a Chrome extension that includes video and buttons. So it's going to look something like this, where you have a logo at the top, a title, you have your video that you can add, and then some buttons to go below the video. So let's jump into how to create this extension. The first field is the extension name. That name appears right here at the top, right below your main logo. Then you're going to come up with a description for your extension. And remember, the description appears inside of the developer area of your Manage Extensions on your local computer, and it also appears in the Google Chrome Web Store. Next, you're going to upload the extension header logo. So just click Choose File. When you select your file, you should see a preview of it. Then you need to upload the icon, so choose File. And when you select the file, you should see a preview of it. Then you need to come up with a video title. Now this is optional, you don't have to put this in, but this is the title that appears just above where the video is located. The next item is the video link. So you can add the link where the video is located, whether it's a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, or a link directly to an MP4 video. You just add your link there. Next is the video thumbnail. This is the image that appears before the person presses play. Once you select your thumbnail, you should get a preview. The next item is adding the buttons. So inside of the button 1 area, you need to add the button text, the URL for the button, and if it opens in a new tab or a new window, and then the color of the button. Once you've filled in the information for button 1, you can then add another button and fill in the same information for button 2. Once you've added all your buttons up to 10, the next step is to add the footer text. This is the text that will appear at the bottom of your Google Chrome extension right here. So you need to add the text, and then you'll also need to add the URL where that text will go if they click on it. So right here at the bottom, footer text, and the link for that text. Now, once you've got all the fields filled out, you've got all the buttons that you want for your extension, the next step is to click Generate Extension. And it's going to generate all the files that you need, and it's going to generate some instructions on how to install this Google Chrome extension onto your local computer. To get started, just click Download Extension Zip, and it's going to start downloading the files. Don't forget that on the right hand side, we've got information on how to install that extension onto your local computer and how to publish the extension on the Google Chrome Web Store. So that's how you can create the Video plus Buttons Google Chrome extension on ChromeStackPro.